Hey, I'm back with an FAQ on a new product. This is my new Electrolyte Sports Drink. Now, the big reason I created this, because this product right here is great for the general public, but if you're an athlete, if you sweat a lot, if you're into sports, then you need more sodium and more chloride. So the formula for this is exactly the same, except for two things. One, I added more chloride and more sodium in the form of pink Himalayan salt. In the regular formula, chloride is only 15 milligrams and sodium is only 10 milligrams because most people get enough salt. And so what they're really low on is potassium, magnesium. In this new version, we have 75 milligrams of chloride, 50 milligrams of salt. Now, this is based on a lot of research that I did regarding what type of electrolytes are lost when you work out. You're going to be very impressed when you take this because not only is the taste amazing, but you're going to find that you're going to feel very hydrated and your exercise performance is going to go way up. And I think you're going to find that you have way more endurance. It's flavored with raspberry lemon, it's natural flavoring, non-GMO citrates, malic acid, and a little bit of stevia, so it's slightly sweet, but not too sweet. I would recommend taking 1 to 2, maybe 3 servings per day throughout the day. And no, it won't break your ketosis. It's not a lot of calories, it's minerals. We also have all the trace minerals in there too, because anytime you're taking certain minerals without taking all of the minerals, you could potentially throw something off. So it's a really good balance. All of these ingredients are high quality. You'd be quite surprised to find out how many electrolyte products out there are using low quality products from China. The great majority of citrates are from China and they use GMO corn to make it. If you want to check this out, I put a link somewhere on this page. It could be above or below, but definitely send me your success story. I think you're going to really enjoy this one.